Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can verify your identity on Adsense or on YouTube. So let's begin the video. Before I tell you that how you can verify your identity on Adsense, let me tell you why this whole process is necessary. So when your YouTube channel gets monetized and it starts making revenue, then it is eventually stored in your AdSense account, or if you have a website that makes money, then it is also stored in AdSense account. So if it is your first time, then Google AdSense wants to make sure that you are a legible person and you need to provide your personal information, which is called your identity verification. For this you need to have either your national identity card, your passport, your driver license, or a residence permit. So I have told 4 things. You can use any one of these things to verify your identity. So you need to take a clear picture both from the front and the back side of your government issued ID. Make sure that the picture is clear, any text is not blurred out, and we can see all the 4 borders, because if your picture is blurry or you have cropped out any part, then Google AdSense will reject your identity verification and you need to redo the whole process. So it's better to take a clear picture in daylight or in better light situations. So what basically YouTube or AdSense wants is to verify the person who is going to receive the actual payments. So the first step is to verify your identity, and in the second step they're going to actually send a pin code, like by post, not by email, by physical post, to the actual address that you're going to show in your government issued ID. So make sure that you enter your name and your address correctly as it is written in your original government issued IDs. For this video I have opened up my friend's channel as he got this notification from YouTube, and the channel name is Techno Projects. If you're into electronics or all these stuffs, you should definitely check out this channel. The link will be in the video description. First of all, you're going to open your YouTube channel's dashboard. On the left side here it's going to say earn. Press on the earn button, and on the right side, if you have received the notification, you're going to have this box, getting paid, action required, confirm your personal information. We're going to press on complete in AdSense. Now it's going to open the Google's AdSense website. We're going to press on sign in, and here you need to enter the email address and password in order to sign into your AdSense account that is already linked with your YouTube account. Once you are signed into your AdSense account, you're going to have these 2 boxes, one the red and one the yellowish one. So the red one is the most critical one. Your YouTube payments are on hold as you have account issues to fix. So we're going to press on the action button, and here you're going to have this red box, which means that it is very important to provide our personal information in order to get paid. Provide some info about yourself to continue. We're going to press on the verify now button. What you will need for the verification: you need to verify your identity to keep earning on YouTube. Again, you need to provide some legal document. It can be your driver's license, it can be your passport, it can be your national identity card, or your residence permit. So we're going to press on the start verification button. Here we're going to type our legal name, which should be exactly the same in spelling as it is written in our legal documents. After that, we need to upload our ID. So we're going to select our ID. In my case, I have a picture of my national identity card. I'm going to select that, and here we need to upload the picture of the front side and the back side. Make sure that the picture is clear or visible enough so it can be read. If you're going to send a wrong picture, then your account will not be verified. Once the pictures have been uploaded, we're going to press on the next button, and here we need to enter our home address or our residence address. Make sure that you type it correctly. After that, we're going to press on the submit button. Verification successful. You already checked the email that we sent to you for more details, so we're going to press on got it. Once you have submitted all your details, you can see that if I go under the personal information in AdSense, it says that identity verification is successful. However, if I again go back to my YouTube channel, even refresh the YouTube page, you can see that the message still appears. This is because it's going to refresh in 1 or 2 days. After 1 or 2 days, you're going to get a new pop-up message that AdSense has sent a pin on your mailing address which you need to enter in your AdSense account. So basically by the pin, they are going to actually send a physical envelope in your physical address, and in that envelope you're going to have a 6-digit pin which you need to again log into your AdSense account and enter the pin. After that, once the pin is verified, you're going to actually withdraw your payments once the threshold is reached. So basically this whole process is to verify that you're the actual person and you are living in that country that you have told in your AdSense account. So if you don't receive the pin envelope in 2 to 4 weeks, you can press on the resend now button and they will send you a new pin again. So yeah guys, in this way you can verify your identity on AdSense. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.